This mantra Om has more than 100 meanings. Rishis have written a whole Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, to explain the various meanings of the mantra Om. Let's look at 3-4 meanings. Om is called as Adiswar, the primordial sound. When the energy of the Creator got created and manifested as matter of the creation, the bridge between energy and matter is the sound of Om. Therefore, it's called as the primordial sound, the Adiswar. Therefore, even today, if you go into the space and listen to the sound of the earth revolving on its own axis, or the sound of the 9 planets revolving in their own orbits in the solar system, or the whole of the solar system revolving its own orbit in the Milky Way, the sound is something similar to Om. The mantra Om is made up of 3 sounds: A, U, M. A for Brahma, U for Vishnu, M for Mahesh. From creation to sustenance to dissolution, all the 3 energies in Hinduism are considered as energies of God, actions of God. And therefore, all the 3 forms of divinity are considered to be contained in the mantra Om. When you open your mouth, the first sound you create is A. When you close your mouth, the last sound you create is M. From opening of the mouth to closing of the mouth, every single sound that you can create from your vocal cords is contained in the mantra Om. This is one more meaning of the mantra Om. For creation, you require intelligence. So goddess of intelligence, Saraswati, is with Brahma. For sustenance, you require money. So goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, is with Vishnu. And for destruction, you require power, Shakti. So Kali, Durga, Shakti is the consort of Shiva. One more meaning of the mantra Om.